How to enable Google account two-factor authentication. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your Google account in 2024. This simple setup will add an extra layer of security to keep your account safe from hackers. So let's get started. First, log into your Google account and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you are there, click on Security from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Signing in to Google section and click Two-Step Verification. Now, click Get Started. You will be prompted to enter your password to confirm it's you. Once done, you will be taken to the Setup page. Google offers multiple ways to set up 2FA. Google Prompts, Authenticator app, or backup codes. Make sure you have your phone handy, select the device linked to your account, and Google will send a prompt to you approve. Once approved, 2FA is enabled. And that's it. Now you have secured your Google account with 2FA. This is one of the easiest ways to protect your personal information online. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.